Ever spent hours taking notes on your iPad, only to realize half your annotations are messy? You can't find what you wrote, or syncing across devices is a nightmare? Yeah, I've been there. That's why so many of us ask, Notability versus GoodNotes. Which one is actually worth it in 2025? Let's break it down. All right, Notability is known for its audio recording feature, simple interface, and easy multi-note management. If you're a student or someone who likes recording lectures while writing, it's amazing. But the downside? On Reddit, users complain about limited templates and the annual subscription model, especially if you're used to a one-time purchase. Now, GoodNotes is all about customization, amazing handwriting recognition, clean notebook templates, and folder organization that actually makes sense. On Trustpilot, people rave about how it feels like real pen and paper, but some say syncing across devices can be glitchy and the learning curve is steeper than Notability. On Twitter, it's pretty split. Students and creatives swear by GoodNotes for design and visual notes, while Notability fans highlight convenience and audio features. Here's a quick Excel-style chart to make this side by side. So the truth, neither is perfect. It depends on how you take notes. Want to record lectures and keep it simple? Notability's your friend. Want full customization and beautiful handwriting tools? GoodNotes wins. Don't just buy hype. Try both. See which workflow fits your brain and stick with it. And hey, if you want my full guide on iPad note-taking apps that actually make studying fun in 2025, click the next video. I'll save you the trial and error stress. Catch you there!